Sex for a promotion? Is that a fair deal? Is that considered sexual harassment? These are the tough questions Jenny had to face. She knew her decision would change her life and her family's life forever. Jenny was ready. She knew it wouldn't be easy, but it was the only way to get what she wanted. To know what happened, stay till the end. Remember to like and subscribe for more amazing legal stories. Meet Jenny. She works as an administrative assistant at a large company in Los Angeles. She has worked there for many years, and her work has been well recognized by her superiors. That's why she is currently a prime candidate to be promoted to supervisor. This promotion would be life-changing for Jenny. Her salary would nearly double and her career would take off like never before. She has been waiting for this moment for years, and if all goes well, she will now have the opportunity to show the world what she is capable of. However, something happened that would make Jenny's road to success much more complicated than she expected. A few days before the date she was supposed to be promoted, Jenny's boss called her into his office to discuss important business. She arrived there expecting news about her promotion, but her boss had other plans. He told Jenny that if she wanted to be promoted, she would have to do what he said. The tone was very inappropriate and clearly indicated that he was referring to sexual favors. Jenny was having none of it. She rejected his advances and left to go back to work. However, she soon realized that this was just the beginning of her odyssey. The next day, Jenny went to the Human Resources office to complain about the incident. She explained what happened in detail, but the Human Resources team only promised her that they would look into it. They had no interest in stopping or preventing this type of behavior. A couple of days later, Jenny received the news that she would not be receiving the promotion she had been hoping for. Surprisingly, the company had decided to hire someone else with far less experience than her for the job. Furious, Jenny went to her boss's office, demanding answers. "Why didn't I get the job? Did what happened the other day have anything to do with your decision?" she asked. And her boss said, "Jenny, you showed me that I can't trust you with the position. You're simply not willing to take orders. However, we can work it out right here if you want." Disgusted by her boss's audacity, Jenny left the office and went to the Human Resources department to report the new incident. Again, they showed no interest in helping her with her problem. Instead, they told her that maybe she should start looking for another job, as they were thinking about replacing her. With her job on the line, Jenny began to think about her options. Turning to Human Resources was futile. They would rather get rid of her than address her boss's abusive behavior. Looking for another job would be extremely complicated and risky. Jenny is the single mother of 2 young girls. How could she provide for them if she lost her job overnight? That's when she realized she had no choice but to fight back. And to do so, she knew the only way to do it was to work with an employment attorney. Jenny went to legalfacts.org, and through its vast attorney network, she contacted an employment lawyer near her, with years of experience dealing with these types of cases. The lawyer told her that her rights as a worker were being violated in various ways. She was being sexually harassed by her boss and was facing retaliation for rejecting his advances. She was also about to be wrongfully terminated, solely for reporting what was going on. After days of preparation, Jenny and her attorney filed a sexual harassment and retaliation claim. They were prepared to show them that they would not get away with it. Not long after the claim was filed, the company denied the allegations outright. They said there was no evidence of such behavior, and that they would proceed with Jenny's termination for completely unrelated reasons. All seemed lost. But right at this moment, the attorney had an idea that would turn the tables entirely. Based on his experience with similar cases, the attorney concluded that it was very likely that Jenny was not the only victim of her boss's abusive behavior. So, he decided to contact many of Jenny's coworkers. And sure enough, 10 other women said they had experienced similar situations with this individual. Given the number of new testimonials, the company had no choice but to acknowledge this man's predatory conduct and fired him shortly thereafter. And what about Jenny? Well, she got the promotion she wanted. And not only that, she also received compensation for all the emotional distress she endured, and got the back pay she was entitled to. All thanks to the knowledge and experience of an employment attorney. If you want to talk to an employment lawyer near you, ready to help you with whatever you need, visit legalfacts.org. The attorneys in our network are experienced professionals who will stop at nothing to defend your rights and get you what you deserve. By working with one of our attorneys, you can also begin to regain your peace of mind. And best of all, it's not as expensive as it seems. What are you waiting for? Call for a free consultation and protect your rights as an American worker. Talk to a top-rated attorney for free. If you have ever been a victim of unwanted sexual attention at work, leave your story in the comments below and share this video to raise awareness about this type of harassment. Smash the like button if you think sexual harassers should be fired on the spot. And subscribe for more videos like this one. It doesn't have to be that complicated. Call Legal Facts, it's just that simple.